For now, ladies and gentlemen, the People's MC handing it over to Prof. Ghosh.
Thank you so much, Kyle. That was just fantastic. Literally, I'm speechless, and of course, a lot of homework for me to do as well. But there's something that I have. It would be a miss for me not to mention because this was not really an event that was done individually by anyone for that matter. It was a fantastic team effort. So I would like to really thank once again. This particular, all the participants of this session of the eighth annual Citi Foundation-SMU FinLit Symposium on this whole issue of democratization of financial knowledge. So once again, thank you for the speech to Minister of State Gan, as well as President Professor Lily Kong, as Ms. Ashmita Acharya, for giving the very nice welcome address. Together with all the participants who presented here as well, and particularly my other keynote speaker, as well as all the other panel members and the questions that were coming in. So with that, I would also like to just mention a few things that would be really very important. So I would really have to thank from the bottom of my heart this incredible team for Citi Foundation SMU program, and I'll start with our program manager Chandra Gunawan. He's the lead program manager, so he is almost like the founding stone for many of the events that are going in, and obviously together with senior program executive Aisha Iskander, she has been, for the FinHack, the FinWar project has been a key person who was involved, together with our great research assistants, including Isabella and Kathy also helped out in some of the analysis that we did. And together with, I would like to mention the associate director for the Office of Advancement, Joanne Yap, because of this really once again takes a village to actually run the program itself, the Citi Foundation program. And obviously my partner in crime, Professor Jeremy Go, who has been the original inspiration of the idea of the Citi Foundation SMU project as well. And last but not the least, I would really like to thank Professor Dave Fernandez, who is the director of SKBI, and his team for the support and, of course, the encouragement that was provided throughout the event and the planning of the event, which took a pretty long time to take shape. But as you can see, the effect, I hope, is some food for thought along the way. But finally, I would just like to mention about some very important part of what this program was about. We started off with 3 incredible speeches of welcome, which, by the way, actually is in Straits Times today. So if you have a chance to look at it, you would look at Minister Gan Xiao Huang's talk, as well as the speeches given by Professor Lily Kong and Ashmita Acharya was actually highlighted in Straits Times. We would actually put it in our website as well. So please take a look at it. So this whole event about resilience and what we get back onto this is food for thought, and to get the data back in some sense, to get the value of the data. So we started off with 3 fantastic presentations by 3 powerful and fearless leaders, if I may say, and ended up with a fantastic panel discussion as well of 4 very knowledgeable speakers who spoke to you from the heart. So once again, thank to all of you. And with that, I will pass you back to Kyle to kind of conclude the session. Thank you very much. Thank you so much, Kyle. Really appreciate that. And I also wanted to thank Ben Keng for a fantastic, fabulous presentation. But this particular event actually has been held together and completely organized by our great Citi Foundation SMU Financial Literacy Club. So I have to thank actually all the people who were involved in the club, particularly the executive committee, and starting with Hagen. She's the one who managed all the program with countless hours talking to every panel members and keynote speakers as well. Angel, Carol, Suehui, then Megs, Chloe, then Chris, Andy, Ivan, and Tanya, as well as Chen Won. So once again, thank you guys so much. This is something that was impossible without you happening. So, SMU students can do wonders. If you had any doubt, I don't think you will have one after this event. Thanks again, and all the best, and hope you have a good rest of the weekend.